What's the meaning of blackberrying? Blackberrying. Blackberrying.
Blackberrying. Blackberrying. Blackberrying is the act of gathering blackberries from the wild, commonly in late summer and early autumn when the fruit is ripe. It is a popular pastime in many countries and regions around the world, with entire families often going out to pick the fruit together. Blackberrying can also refer to the act of using a BlackBerry, which is a type of smartphone that was once popular but has since largely been replaced by other devices. In this context, blackberrying refers to the act of using the device to send messages, make phone calls, and perform other tasks.